This is the summary created from video. Lecture 53 Demonstration XX. The introduction covers theoretical concepts before demonstrating JDBC with MySQL and guiding through the server installation process, including accessing the MySQL console and connecting via the JDBC driver. To begin installation, the MySQL Community Server software needs to be downloaded from the official website, ensuring compatibility with the target machine. The downloaded file is then extracted, containing the necessary installable files like binaries, data, and documentation. The extracted folder is copied to the desired installation location, with the option to rename it for easy identification. The configuration process involves setting up the myDNI file with the appropriate syntax and directory locations, while also removing any pre-existing data folders. After the file setup is complete, the installation can be initialized by navigating to the bin directory and running the mysqlid command from the command prompt. This triggers an automatic installation of the required programs, establishing the MySQL server on the local host. With the server installed, the next crucial step is to set the root user password, either during installation or by executing the alter user command followed by authentication using MySQL urootp and entering the new password. Initially, no databases exist, so a new one named test is created along with an additional test1 database. Within the test database, a table called JavaCourse is created with fields like role, name, marks, and grade, where role serves as the primary key. Data is then inserted into the JavaCourse table, including records with details like roll number, name, marks, and grade. Attempts to insert duplicate roll numbers, which is the primary key, are prevented due to the constraint. To retrieve data from the tables, SQL's SELECT command is used, allowing for column specification and conditional clauses to filter results based on criteria like marks greater than a certain value. The ORDERBY clause enables sorting the results in ascending or descending numeric order. Updating records in the database tables is demonstrated using the update command, which modifies field values permanently. The changes can be verified using SELECT statements. Similarly, the DELETE command is covered for removing rows based on conditions or deleting all records from a table. The video also explains the process of permanently deleting entire tables using the DROPTABLE command and executing SH or WTABLES to confirm the deletion. Databases can also be dropped using appropriate commands, providing a comprehensive overview of data management. For remote installations, the video discusses installing the software on a remote machine and noting the IP address to establish a connection and access the installation. It also provides insights in connecting to remote MySQL installations using the JDBC driver. In summary, the video covers the complete installation and configuration of the MySQL server, creation and management of databases and tables, querying data using SQL commands, updating and deleting data, dropping tables and databases, and accessing remote MySQL installations using the JDBC driver. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.